Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin and welcome to the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today's video is a social media marketing online business course for beginners, which I'm about to review. Now, if you've ever thought about doing social media to attract customer, even as a business, well, you really need this video. You need to get through it because I'm going to show you the easy way of getting started. So let's get straight into it. As I already mentioned, social media is an excellent way of attracting custom prospects, whatever you want, leads. It's a great way of getting people into your funnel, into your area of influence. And it's getting more popular every day because people are becoming more sophisticated at using social media. So if I was to suggest you master one particular means of attracting custom, it would absolutely be social media followed by writing, but you'll be doing social media very quickly and getting results. The one thing you must be, the one downside to social media is you must be consistent. Now, if you're going to post once a week or twice a week, that's what you have to carry on doing, posting once or twice a week. If you post once a day, you need to be consistent and then you'll start getting results. Now, there's probably two very good reasons why you're watching this video, and these are going to be either you want to learn more about social media, or probably more importantly, you're looking for a business opportunity. Now, if you are looking for a business opportunity, a small local social media agency or even a national agency can pay very, very big money. You wouldn't believe how much people are prepared to part with for simple skills, and I mean really simple skills that you can master. Well, I'm going to show you. You're going to have it demonstrated. You can master these skills really quickly and really inexpensively. So whether you want to do social media for yourself or you want to do it for business purposes, this short video is going to cover both of those reasons. Okay, so it's like two videos in one. What you're going to discover? Well, you're going to discover how you can get set up and running within the next 48 hours. Now, there's some businesses, one of the reasons I love this is you can get up and running so quick. And if you're new to business or new to setting up your own online business, this can happen really, really quickly. And you probably know enough friends and people around you who will want little bits doing where you'll be making money straight away. It's a tried, tested, and proven method for starting your own social media agency. What you're going to see is not a pipe dream, it's something that somebody's doing already. You're going to learn how to create residual income business. Now, by residual, I mean once you've got this going once, there's very little work to do after that. 9% of the work comes in setting it up, and even that's not that much, and you get well paid for it. But when it goes on, it gets so much easier, and this is why you can run a lot of different clients, as you're going to find out. So residual income and a business which could quite easily be generating you literally thousands of dollars every single month. Let me say it again, thousands of dollars every single month. I know somebody who has done this particular course, and I think inside 6 months they're earning about 4.5, 5,000, not dollars but pounds every single month. This is very doable, and they say they can do that in about 5 or 6 hours. Every time they take on a new client, it takes a bit more time, but after that it gets easier. So you're going to learn the software that will save you hours and make this easy, and lots more. So why this particular course? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but social media is lots of fun. One of the main reasons is I'm familiar with the tutor, and he's really very, very good. I'm not joking. I've seen him in other courses. He explains things very well. He's easy to follow, and he's a great mentor. And guess what? He runs his own social media agency, so he's got to be the sort of person you want to follow, somebody who's walking the walk and talking the talk as well. He'll answer all of your questions. If I was starting a local business, it would be certainly social media. This is the one I would choose. So let me just wind down a bit here. Okay, it's inexpensive. It really is. Running this business is going to cost you about $25 a month, $30 a month. because it's going to be done through a certain software. It goes up if suddenly you start earning £8,000 to £10,000 a month or dollars a month. It'll go to $100, $150, but who cares? You're earning a lot more money. So it is really, really expensive. Best of all, once learned, this is going to go on paying you every day. Every day, it'll carry on paying you. So it's the sort of business that you want. I won't say it's recession proof, but it's close to it because everyone will need customers. There's huge potential and possibilities, huge financial potential. There are no shortage of people needing your services. You've just got to learn how to get them involved, show them what you're doing, get them interested. So this course is going to get you great results as a business or for yourself. Now, rather than me showing you or telling you more about it, I think the tutor of this course would be the best guy to do it because he does it really well. So here he is.
Are you looking to start your own business from home? How about a social media business that can be set up quickly with very little cost and can operate 80% on autopilot, but can still bring you a repeat income from local businesses month after month? I'm Chris Toland, and I've been self-employed working from home for over 13 years. In this course, I'm going to let you look over my shoulder and see exactly how I run my social media marketing service to small businesses so that you can have your own business set up within the next 48 hours. This business is easy to run and quick to set up. You could start it part-time or it could be run alongside any existing business. Costs are extremely low. You'll need some software to run the business, but I've managed to secure a discount for students of this course, and so the cost is just $25 every month. And that is a total cost, even when you've got 10 clients or more. 80% of your work is done by the software on autopilot, but your clients still pay you month after month. Also, no face-to-face selling is required, and for anyone who prefers a hermit lifestyle, you could even run the business without ever meeting or speaking to your clients. The course lectures include how to get clients, what to charge, how to set up the business to get the best results for your clients and for you, even additional services that you can offer to boost your earnings even further. I'll also give you all of the documents you need to run the business, and even a promo website that you can use to attract your clients. Even if you don't have any experience with social media or with running a business, don't worry. I'll show you absolutely everything you need to make the business a success and make a great recurring income month after month. And just in case you need me, I'm always available in the course for further help, advice and support. The longer you wait to get started, the longer it will be before you have your own profitable social media business. So enroll now and you can have your business up and running within the next 48 hours. Remember, I'm here to help you succeed, so I look forward to seeing you inside.
So here we are in the actual members area. I find this very interesting because I seem to be looking the opposite way. I'm looking straight at it. It confuses me when I see my own video. Anyway, let's go through it. It starts off with the introduction. You're going to learn exactly about this business, what countries this business can be running. In fact, it's all of them. How much you can earn. And he's going to give you not a stupid calculation here, but he's going to tell you very seriously how much you could be earning very, very quickly. And it does add up. As I said, I know somebody who's doing this and they're very pleased with their income, I can tell you. Why this is a perfect local business. That's section 1, the introduction. And by the way, most of these, as you can see, they're all videos. So it's nice and easy, just watch and follow. Section 2, they're going to teach you about the software and how he's got you a big discount if you want to use it. Now, he's tested a lot of different softwares. I'm familiar with the software and it really is very good. And he's tested a huge amount to find the one that will do this for you. Section 3 is about getting your business off to a flying start. So the introduction, choosing a business name, creating a business logo, creating a Facebook page for your business, creating your Facebook profile image and cover image for free. No one wants to pay out, goodness me. 12, completing your Facebook page setup and adding the content he supplied for you. Now listen to this. He's supplying you content to get you started absolutely immediately. This course covers it all. 13, connecting your new Facebook page to your Social Pilot account. That's the software he uses, okay? And by the way, it's going to cost you £25 a month, and just one client's going to end up paying you a lot more than that. Schedule your promo posts for Facebook page. So you're going to be scheduling and rescheduling. You don't have to be there doing it all the time. This will automate the whole thing for you. You'll be able to schedule curated content to your post. So what's curated content? Curated content is, it's nice to give a lot of your own stuff, but occasionally it also adds variety if you share things that other people have done. And this will allow you to do this and find that curated post very quickly. Okay, so let's get into the next section, which is number 4. I'm going to say it's mainly videos. So in this one, you're going to be quick basic setup that needs doing just once. Inviting clients to add their own social media account. Now, this means that when you find somebody new, they're going to set it up and you just do the work. There's not lots of administration work using this system. Connecting social accounts and creating groups. I won't even go into that. It's quite simple, okay? How to connect Facebook pages, and these are all videos you can see. Connecting Twitter accounts, how to connect LinkedIn accounts, how to connect Pinterest accounts. It does all of this. How to connect Google My Business, very, very valuable. How to connect Instagram accounts. So what next? We get to how to create highly effective social media posts. Now this really gets tasty and meaty at this point. Social media post ideas, he gives you lots of them. What he does, an example post from start to finish. You're looking over your shoulder, you can do the same thing. The best size for your social media images, yes, there is a best size. You don't just do anything, you want to fit properly. Do I need to create posts for each client, one each month? Guess what? You don't. If you pick just one type of business, or multiple types if you like, but once you've created the posts for that business, you can use them again and again and again and again. Rescheduling posts so they can be used time after time after time. Okay, section 7, how to find new clients. Well, this is probably the most important of all. How much should you charge? Should you specialize in one business type? A website to promote your business media business. Do you need one? Well, guess what? He gives you a website, and not only that, it's really good. Part of this course is a website. Client targeting, how target business, that's how you find the businesses that are spending money. I mean, it's no good going to people who don't spend anything, they don't do anything. You need to find people who are already spending money, and then you're going to be a bargain to them. How to find clients with Facebook, how to attract clients by word of mouth. And he's got something here called the $99 deal. It's really good. It really gets people on board for him. There's bonus methods for finding clients, and he's got 2 here. He calls it practice activity and reel them in with a teaser. So let me get on to number 8, close this one. So you see, you're getting a very comprehensive course. Section 8, getting good results for your client. Of course, you want to do this. The new client questionnaire, the magic of hashtags. I haven't looked at those, but they're going to be very valuable. Number 9, additional services that you can offer your clients if you wish. Yeah, you're not just stuck to social media. There's other things you can do. This is a great way of stepping up and getting more money from clients, because when they're used to, when they're familiar with you, of course they prefer to give it to you than going out and finding somebody else. They know you do a good job. Okay, so additional services you can offer. He goes into quite a few things here. I think I just repeated myself there. Additional goodies. Speed guide to setting up new Twitter account. Well, Twitter takes longer than Facebook, so they're showing you a real quick way of doing it. So that's in 2 sections. Creating great social media graphics for free. And by the way, in this, he actually shows you one of the tools which is free for making graphics, and it won't cost you a penny. as I said, when you get into this, it's pretty much all inclusive, $25 a month, and you can get out there and start making a big living from it. So what's the last one? Well, the last one is resource section. So that's the inside of this course. It really is a very good course. If you're interested in making money online, this is for you. If you're interested in learning how to do social media very well, even for yourself, and then put it on autopilot rather than having to log in each day, this is for you. Enjoy. Now, how do you get through to this course? Well, right below this video, there's a link, and that will take you through to this course, and you can decide whether it's for you or not. Okay, so do you have any questions or comments? If you do, all you have to do is write them below this video and I will answer them for you. What I need to know is, did you like this video? If you liked it, that's great. Give me the blue thumbs up, and that gives me some very powerful feedback. May I suggest that you subscribe to this channel? In fact, may I request that you subscribe to this channel? It would really help me. All you have to do is click on the red button below the video and then the little bell, and what will happen is every time you come back into YouTube, it'll tell you if I've made another video, and if I have, you can see what it is and you can go directly through to it if you wish. Remember, there's a link directly below the video. Click on that and that's going to tell you more about the social media course. Now look, I've really enjoyed making this video for you. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Bye bye for now.